Hello, I hope you all are well. And after a long time, we are having this video shoot of the grammar. Today, I'm going to teach you about preposition. And this preposition is for both the standards, standard third and standard fourth. In standard third, it is lesson number 17, and in standard fourth, it is lesson number 18. So now children, preposition, P-R-E, pre. Here it is written, the pre means preceding, before, followed. So, and here the position, the place. So, the place of this little word, preceding, it comes before the noun. Now you see, the definition tells words that show the relationship between a noun, a small word, maybe it is in, on or anything, shows the relation between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence are called preposition. That is, now see the example, in, of, from, to, with, in front of, under, behind, on, over, between. These are the pronouns word which is used before a noun or a pronoun. Now, usually preposition, it comes before a noun only. Now, see, I have a book. Here I have a book. Now, where is the book? It's over my head. Where is the book now? The book is on the table. Now, where is the book here? It's on the floor. Now, you see, so the book is kept in different places, on, over, and on the ground. Now, I am standing. See, and I am standing in front of the blackboard. Now, two sentences are here. Blackboard is behind the teacher. So, the behind word is a pronoun. In front is a pronoun. Followed? Now, there are books on the floor. So, that on word tells us where floor is the noun and books is also the noun. So, the relation where the books are on the floor, where the books are on the table. Follow. Where am I standing? In front of the blackboard. Isn't it? What is behind me? Where is the blackboard? The blackboard is behind the teacher. So, this shows the position. Teacher is a noun. Blackboard is also a noun. So, the relation between teacher and the blackboard. The relation between the books and the table. Follow children? It shows that where it's between. Like if someone all stands in between, behind me, and then I say, or I keep the books over here. So, the books are between the teacher and the blackboard. Followed? So, in means inside. What is it? Now here, there are some examples I have written with the exercises. Now you see, Vijay. Vijay lives dash Bombay. Where is Vijay living? He lives in Bombay. Bombay, isn't it? Now the teacher is standing. Now I showed the teacher is standing in front. In front. In front of the blackboard. Followed. Now, the book is, where is the book? The book is on the table. Now, the blackboard is, now I am standing here. What is at the back of teacher? The blackboard. And so, we say the blackboard is behind the teacher. Now, Reena arrived, dashed the dinner. Now, the family was having the dinner and the dinner was over. So, Reena arrived after the dinner. Then, the man is standing. Where is the man standing? On the platform. So, on the platform. Where am I standing? I am also standing in the classroom. The teacher is standing in the classroom. Now, you can see there are benches here. In the classroom, there are benches in the classroom. The fan is above. All these above word, between, on, after, behind, in front of, all this shows the position of that word between the noun. So, every time before a noun, the preposition comes. Have you understood this? Once again, I explain this. Words that show relation between a noun or pronoun. Now, if I write here, suppose, now, the kitten is sleeping in the box. The kitten is inside. It can be over also, on also. So, here in the box. Now, there are some chalk pieces. Now, we can see some chalk pieces here. So, there are chalks in the box. There are chalk in the box. So, in word is a preposition. The book is on the desk. So, book on tells us. Book is noun. Desk is, table is also the noun. So, on, it shows the relation between the book and the table. Same way, I am standing in front of the blackboard. So, there is a relation between the teacher and the blackboard. So, I hope you have understood this. Thank you.